In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add templates to Trello boards. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now let's jump right in. First, the process begins with accessing your workspace. So the first thing you'll need to do is log into your Trello account at Trello.com. Once you're all set and logged in, you'll find yourself on your main dashboard. From here, look toward the top of the screen. You'll see a menu option that says Boards. Click on that to showcase all the boards that are connected to your account. Next, you'll want to select the specific workspace where you wish to create your new templated board. This is important because it helps keep your projects organized and ensures that everything is in the right place. Now that you're in the right workspace, let's move on to initiating board creation. Look for the option that says Create New Board. It's usually pretty easy to find. Once you click that, a setup window will pop up on your screen. In this window, it's crucial to give your board a clear title that reflects its purpose. For example, you could name it something like Marketing Plan 2026 or Project Tracker. Don't forget to check that you've selected the correct workspace and then set the visibility of the board, whether you want it to be private, workspace visible, or public, depending on who needs access. Now, instead of just clicking the Create button, you'll want to select the option that says Start with a Template. This opens the door to a gallery of available templates. You'll find plenty of categories to choose from, like project management, editorial calendars, and HR workflows. Take your time browsing through these templates and find the one that best matches your project needs. Once you've selected a template, it's time to configure your template options. Here you'll find a decision point. Do you want to keep cards? If you check this option, your new board will copy the list structure along with all the example cards and sample tasks included in the template. If you uncheck it, Trello will copy only the list framework, leaving it blank so you can add your own tasks freely. After you've made this choice, go ahead and click Create. Trello will work its magic and generate your structured board within just a few seconds. Now, it's all about customization. You can further personalize your new board by renaming lists to match your project's flow, adding due dates for tasks, assigning team members to ensure accountability, or even integrating power-ups for those extra features that can enhance your productivity. And there you have it. You've just added templates to your Trello boards, and now you're equipped to manage your projects more effectively. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tips and tricks on using Trello and other productivity tools. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.